how to arrange items within your stream. Click on the stream, then go look at your page, decide the item that you wish to move. I want to move this item, the course of study, to the top of the page. So I'm going to move over to the right-hand side of the page, click on the three dots, and I'm going to click on move. I have three choices. I want to move it to the top. I can edit it or I can copy the link, but I want to move it to the top. So I'm going to click move to the top. It will automatically move to the top of the page, making it much easier for students to find. So the item's now listed first. It has what I want students to do. It has the description of what I want them to do, all the areas of family and consumers that will be studied. So I would show the video first to the class, and then I would go through this, the items on what the course of study is, what we will be studying. Then I will allow the students to make any comments in which they want to, any questions they have, so they can make them without having to talk in front of everyone in class. So it makes it much easier to go over information for students and get feedback immediately from students if something is unclear.